So spring is right around the corner and there is a fragrance that has been getting a lot of hype. Let's see if it's worth it.
I finally found what I'm missing, and now you got all my attention. Driving me wild, got me wishing that you were all mine. You're irresistible, so refreshing. You're irresistible, tell the essence. Can feel your energy all over me. Close my eyes and I breathe in. You're irresistible.
Welcome back to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. I'm your host Cam. Make sure that you're subscribed, activate that notifications bell, and follow us on Instagram at CAM.BYRD. So today's fragrance is none other than Givenchy Gentleman Cologne. There has been a lot of talk about this fragrance since about like March or April of 2019, and it's definitely rearing its head up for spring of 2020. So in my opinion, I think with this fragrance, less is more.
How can that be?
This is a very, very versatile fragrance, extremely easy to wear. This is going to definitely be a spring and summer fragrance. And when you look at the notes, there's gonna be a couple things that are gonna throw you off. One of those notes is going to be iris. As some of you know, iris can be a tricky note. Now, if you're thinking of iris fragrance, you think of maybe like Valentino Uomo Intense, Dior Homme Intense. Those are fragrances that have a very prominent iris note. The iris in this actually gives off a very clean and soapy vibe. You're gonna get that citrus right off the top. So the iris in here is very well done, it's dialed down. It's not that real super overly powdery iris. The second note is actually what threw me off, ambroxan. What do we think usually when we hear about ambroxan? Performance. This is not going to be in that performance department. Like I said, it's really bright, it's really clean, slightly soapy, very easy to wear, fresh out of the shower, after the gym. You can wear this at work. This is poolside, summertime, cookouts. Very, very easy, versatile fragrance. But that ambroxan in here was skillfully used because it's not like that overly metallic, scratchy, screeching ambroxan like you get like in a fragrance like YEDP or Dior Sauvage EDT. Those fragrances can be a little intense with that ambroxan, where I think maybe they could have dialed up that ambroxan a little bit in this and helped with the performance. With the performance, I'm getting about 4.5, maybe 5 hours of longevity, and that scent bubble is not so much of a scent bubble. It's more or less like projection, just, I don't know, maybe about this far out for about 30 minutes before it falls into a skin scent. So if you're looking for a non-intrusive fragrance, this is definitely going to be a fragrance for you. Don't let that ambroxan make you think that like, oh my God, it's gonna be like, because it's not at all. Like I said, you're gonna get a bright citrus, you're gonna get some iris. It even gives off like a green and fresh vibe, that soapy vibe that I was talking about, and a very clean vetiver. You know how some vetivers kind of get like a slightly dark or earthy tone or something like that? This is kind of more like a crisp and clean and sharp vetiver. This is definitely not an overly complicated fragrance, and I can see why so many people like it. The only downside to it is, you know, for the money that they ask for it presently, and you can get this at discounters. I actually got this one at fragrance.net, but yeah, the retail price on these are a little bit high. And for the amount of projection and performance, that might be the only complaint that I would have. But this is actually a fragrance that I would not mind like throwing in my bag and taking it to the pool or taking it wherever I'm going where you could reapply it later on in the day. Super versatile, super easy to wear, very clean, very fresh. I love the fragrance. I mean, as far as it smells really, really great. Is it like something super, super unique? No, but that's actually one of the upsides to it. This is just one that, like, if you don't know what to wear, dumb reach, easy to wear. Let's go over the notes. Givenchy Gentleman Cologne was released in 2019. The notes are citrus, rosemary, iris, vetiver, ambroxan, and musk. And as it dries down to that skin scent within about 30 minutes, primarily what you're gonna get is a little bit of that vetiver mixed with ambroxan and musk, which really blends nicely off of my skin. It smells really pleasant. Like I said, super easy to wear. I would say definitely a spring and summer staple for sure. Now, as far as the price goes, like I said, keep your eyes open. You know, look, fragrance.net, Fragrance X, eBay, find a good deal on this. Check it out at Sephora, go to, JCPenney's, go to Belk, go to Macy's, somewhere like that, and try this out, see if you like it. But it's definitely a very, very easy fragrance to wear. If you're looking to sample today's fragrance, go to www.myfragrancesamples.com. Enter our discount code CFR15 to get 15% off. If they don't have the fragrance that we're reviewing today, check. They have hundreds of brands, hundreds of choices, a free sample every time you order, lightning fast shipping, excellent customer service. If you find it cheaper somewhere else, let them know. They have a price match guarantee. Go to www.myfragrancesamples.com. Until next time, be disruptive, wear what you want, when you want, have fun. Subscribe to Carolina Fragrance Reviews, activate that notifications bell, smash that like button, leave us some comments down below. We'll see you next time on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.